Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and if you like crystal bracelets for manifestation and you wear a lot of spiritual bracelets, crystal bracelets for your spirituality and helping yourself get into alignment to manifest whatever it is that you want in your life, you landed on the right video. Now, you know that I talk a lot about crystals and candles and sage and angels and scripting. I talk about so many of these topics, but I don't work with a lot of companies. I try to pick those that resonate with my audience, and this company actually does. Out of Spirit, you guys. You've probably seen a lot of Out of Spirit videos around, but for you guys, I'm speaking on this to give you my exact opinion about the bracelets and to let you know I've been wearing these bracelets a lot lately. Now, I do have my own shop, but when I come into contact with a company that basically I like and I feel like it can benefit my audience, I bring it to you. So now, if you like crystal bracelets, Out of Spirit, I would say, is a great site to visit. Now, why? Because you get crystal bracelets, crystal necklaces, they got earrings, they got a whole lot of things that you can choose from. And what I like about it is that they're quality stones, okay? They're either AA or AAA stones, letting you know that the quality is very good. Now, another thing about the Out of Spirit bracelets is some of the portions of the proceeds go towards the helping of the animals, okay? Because there's a lot of animals out there that is in jeopardy of being extinct, and they use some of the money to help promote these animals, most likely the otter, okay? So where am I going with this? Okay, so when you visit their site, there's so many things you can see, but if you're looking at bracelets, the bracelets are sold separate or as a pack. Now, they automatically place bracelets in packs based on what it is you're trying to manifest. So if you're trying to increase your alignment with attracting abundance, then you want to have the money bracelet, okay? And it comes in a set of 3, or you can buy them individual. If you're working on anxiety, like I promoted a couple of months ago, you might want to purchase the anxiety set or buy them separate based on what you want. I also showed you a few months ago the strength bracelets to give you that inner strength to conquer whatever it is you're going through. They have healing sets. They have prosperity sets. They have sets that based on your intuition, your third eye, getting into alignment of opening up your psychic abilities. They got all of these things. Now, for me, if there was a bracelet that I would buy for spirituality or opening up my psychic ability, that would be lapis lazuli or lepidolite, okay? So they have all of these things there, and you can, based on what it is you're trying to manifest or trying to get in alignment with, you can easily find the bracelet of choice, which I do love. So let's just say you're looking for money. You can actually put in the search money, and money bracelets will show up, okay? Or success, and maybe success bracelets will show up. So when it comes down to success, I'm a tiger's eye person, okay? When it comes down to getting in alignment, getting balance to help you stay steady, I might would buy a Himalite, okay? Or if it's money, I might would buy a jade bracelet or citrine or red jasper, okay? When it comes down to spirituality, it might be an amethyst or a howlite, or like I said, lapis lazuli or lepidolite. There are so many things. Again, if you're talking about love, it would be a rose quartz, okay, or a rhodonite. There is so many things that on this site for you. It is unbelievable. Now, how would I wear these bracelets that I'm talking about? When you're talking about working within yourself, like maybe opening up your third eye or getting in a balance when you feel like you're unstable or you're having problems sleeping or anything, it would be on my left arm, okay? Now, I use left and right. Some people use dominant and non-dominant, okay? That is up to you to do your research. But let's just say left is for inner and right is for outer. So if you're looking for something to bring in that alignment with you or help you open your third eye, you're working within yourself, it would be the left arm that I will wear it on. So now you see I have the amethyst, the howlite, the lapis lazuli, the hematite and the rhodonite on the left arm. Again, this is working within myself, with it either calming myself down, working with my spirituality. It's on my left arm. Now, when it comes down to manifesting abundance, this is where you can wear it on either arm. And that would be anything that you're pushing out. So if you're pushing out and you want to manifest a better career or more money or the love of your life, you can actually wear it on your right arm, pushing that out to people, okay? If you get what I'm saying. But you can also wear this on the left arm if you feel like whatever it is inside of you that is getting you stuck with life, you might want to wear it on the left arm too. So you can wear it on the left or the right when you're trying to build something, whether it's love, whether it's career, whether it's money. You could be working within and working without, okay? Going with towards people, towards circumstances in life. So this is just a basic how I would wear these bracelets. Now, again, you really need to know what it is you're trying to manifest and what energy you're trying to bring out, because you don't want the bracelets going against one another. You don't want to be calm and at the same time be excited. When it comes down to sizes, these are medium. These are the regular size bracelets. Now they have the mini that are smaller, but when it comes to the arm length, these are regular. Now, mediums. They come small, medium, and large. I think these are medium, but I think I would have went again with the large because I like my bracelets a little looser. But this is for the regular arm, everyone, okay? So like if you have a big arm, I would actually say yes, go with the large. And if you're having problems with bracelets fitting, call them up. Because I think they have, and not think, I know they have extra large that's not being posted. So again, these bracelets actually work, and I think the energy and everything is just beautiful. And don't forget to set the intention in the bracelet when you get them, okay? Sometimes I put them on selenite to cleanse it, or sage the room, or sage the bracelets to take off anybody's imprints off of them. And another thing I do, I set the intent by putting the bracelets in my hand and setting the intent for what I wanted to do. If they're different things, I set the intent for each one. So again, everyone, today I brought you the powerful, powerful otter bracelets, you guys. They come with a lot. They even come with information on what they're used for, how to cleanse them, and the warranty. They come with even an affirmation. This is citrine. It says, everything I need to be successful is within me. Listen, they also come with a little pouch. Okay? So these are great bracelets, and I just want to let you guys know to go out there and get it. Again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. Much love to you. I'm going to put the link in the description where you can buy these things. And namaste.